Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the newest items on Dress to Impress. So we will actually start with the codes first. So we have these codes. So the first one is this one. I'll put the code right now. There are a lot of toggles. You can do dress only. You can even do just the sleeves only, and you can change the color. Next we have this bag. This bag here, you can also toggle it. I'll put the code right now. And it's in the same code as this bow here. Again, a lot of toggles to choose from. Okay, I'll just go here. Actually, and for the last one, we have this, and I'll put the code right now. Again, a lot of toggles. Then we have these hairs, 5 brand new hairstyles, as you can see. I'll show it to you one by one. There we go. We have some toggles for it as well. This is my favorite one though. Next, we have this dress. Here, put it on. Let me just take this one off. And we have this cute toggle. For the VIP, we do have one new item. Okay, this one also has like a new toggle, which is full fur, which makes the fur just like a little bit more full. And lastly, we have this one. We also have a bunch of new makeup, so I'll show you. I'll show it to you outside. We have these 4 new makeups. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.